Blueberry sauce from fresh blueberries is a wonderful addition to desserts like cheesecakes, pancakes, crepes, and puddings, to name a few. You can start with 2 cups of blueberries and add a 1/4 cup of sugar. Add approximately half of the total quantity of water. Use the remaining water to mix with the cornstarch. Place the saucepan with the blueberries on the stovetop. Turn the temperature to medium and bring to boil. Then, simmer for 10 minutes. At the end, add the cornstarch mixed with the water. Stir until thickened 2 to 3 minutes. If desired, add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and a slice of lemon for flavor. When the sauce is done, it will coat the back of the spoon like here. Transfer to a jar as is, or strained through a sieve for a smooth sauce. Store in the refrigerator. Because it has sugar, it will last for a few weeks. You can use it for all kinds of desserts like this coconut milk pudding here. Enjoy!